Hello, my name is Caprice Hogg, and I am an oil painter from Kimberley, British Columbia. And I would like to welcome you to my studio gallery where I paint my original landscape paintings. And I also teach art lessons online and in person. I want to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I will do my weekly 10-minute Monday art tips every Monday. And that can help all artists and painters and creative people to really get a grasp on their creative lifestyle and what it's like to be an artist. It helps with art tips, how to select your canvas, how to pick your subject matter, how to keep that inspiration going. That's what I want to do here in my YouTube channel. And I want to get a good community of artists and like-minded people together. So I hope you will enjoy it. Please let me know if there's anything you would like me to discuss during one of my 10-minute Monday art tips. If there's something you would like to know about, just send me a note or a comment and I will talk about it each Monday. I have lots to discuss, lots to share with you. I love to talk about art, so please do join me. Send me a note, what it is you want me to talk about. What inspires you? What is your favorite art book? Let me know. I'm here for you, and I hope you will join our community. Please do subscribe, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to sharing my art with you, my life of art that I have been working on for over 25 years. I've got lots to say, so please do join me. Thank you, and I will be in touch. Enjoy. Bye for now.